The reason for this video is because I wanted to put this Harbor Freight winch in my 2003 Ford F150 4x4. That's a Harbor Freight winch and the Harbor Freight universal channel mount. I had to notch out about 3.5 inches on each side, which wasn't too bad. Then I held it up with some C-clamps, marked the holes by using a little spray paint to the chassis of the truck and bolted it to it. Didn't drill any more holes than that. Wired it up. I managed to get the control box right up here. It's not a pretty job, but it'll work, and it's not going to mess up the radiator. That's the fuses back there. Just routed the wires through here, and that's it. Took me a minute to figure out, but an afternoon of not working too hard, it was pretty easy. And this blade right here will cut that channel in a Sawzall with no problem. Good luck.